Yeah, it is close.
How's it pronounced?
Burris.
Oh, Barris. Okay,
Yeah.
got it. Okay, let's put Muslim convert. Okay.
No, set a relaxed condition. How you relax.
I gotta change it every few seconds.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, me too.
Good. He's sitting relaxed. No problem. It does an hour. This guy relax.
Still growing too, bro. We're still growing. We stopped growing at 25. I said we reach our peak.
Yeah.
Still growing, bro.
Okay.
Are you ready now?
Yes. Bismillah.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem amma ba'd. قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد والفرقان الحميد يا أيها الذين آمنوا اذكروا الله ذكرا كثيرا. O believer, remember me a lot. Sitting, standing, walking. Don't forget me. فاذكروني أذكركم. You remember me, I remember you. Remember you, remember me with a thankfulness. I will remember you, give you more. Subhanallah. So, the remembrance of Allah, there are so many ayat in the Quran Majid. Remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We remember family, we remember friend. We chat a lot. So how much time we sit down and remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? You are whole day out and you don't call your sweetheart, wife. She will complain in the evening time. Hey, where were you? You are hooked up somewhere else. Am I right now? In the same way, if we don't remember Allah, He knows where we are. It means we are somebody else. We should not remember Him always. He's a Khaliq, Malik, creator, nourisher. He brought us here. He will take us back to Him. Then He will reward us. He has made Jannah, paradise for us. Yes or no?
Yes.
So remembrance of Allah, there are three kinds of remembrance of Allah. One, we say with the tongue and sound come. Allah, 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 Subhanallah, Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, sound come, right? It is called the zikr of the tongue. Second kind of zikr is sound don't come, but lips move. Allah, 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 Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah. Understand? Mm-hmm. And third kind of zikr, no sound, no tongue move, but heart. Remember Him with the heart. Mm-hmm. Language of the heart, tongue of the heart, tongue of the heart. Mm-hmm. You know, sometimes we are sitting and my wife or my friend, my brother, my son, my relative gone somewhere overseas. Then I miss. Within the heart, I start remembering him. Okay, when she's coming, I don't know. Okay, she will come next week, inshallah. Within heart, we talk. Mm-hmm. I sit and gross, you know. Some brother comes, Salaam alaikum. Salaam alaikum. Oh. He said, where you are? Where you gone? Yeah, I was thinking something. Yes or no? Yeah. That kind of thinking is called the zikr of the qalb, zikr of the heart. Samjha? Clear? Mm-hmm. To which I am teaching, you know, this is zikr of the qalb. Mm-hmm. And this is the medicine for anxiety and depression. Mm-hmm. If the person do this zikr, along with big salat, this and that, he will not get depression anytime. But if somebody is in the depression, you know, next step of depression is cuckoo, then mental attack, then hospital. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is a result of the depression and anxiety. So, this is a medicine, what I'm teaching you today, the zikr of the heart. It is called zikr-e-qalb or zikr-e-khafi, latent zikr, L-A-T-E-N-T, L-A-T-E-N-T, latent zikr. It is medicine for the depression. Why people get depressed? Example, sometimes brother, you got business and you found some partner, then later on business gone down, he deceives you, you didn't know that, and business break. Then you start thinking yourself, oh my God, I did not know that brother is like that. Huh? Astaghfirullah, I did not know that. Huh? He's like that. He deceived me, he showed me green garden, right? I didn't know that. Okay. And sometimes you get married just in emotions. Some girl, this, and she don't expose real thing what she is. You get married. Then she start giving a hard time. You found her, oh my God, she smoke. Oh boy, I didn't know that. Then you're gonna leave her. They start thinking about that. Thinking about that. Right? You lost her. Or the woman lost husband, like this. Some loss, they start thinking yourself. If you think too much, it will take towards anxiety. If you have too much anxiety, it takes to the depression. If you don't take a depression, then mental attack. Therefore, when you are starting anxiety, so this is a medicine, the latent zikr, zikr-e-qalb, or is called meditation. Even in the America, some people hold some conferences, session, they charge money for 1 hour, $75. They teach, Kafir people teaching meditation, yes or no?
Yes.
I was a registrar in the university for 40 years in the New York City. And one time they called directors and admission registrars of the university. I was a registrar for this lecture. The lecture given by Mr. Richard, a Christian, about meditation. I said, what? This is Islamic. How he is teaching? He was teaching because during the registration, admission of the student every semester, there is a lot of depression, lot of pressure on the staff to release the pressure. This is very good. So, if we are not depressed, if we start doing every day, morning, evening, meditation, you will never get depressed. You driving the car, I always tell the drivers, after 1-2 hours, take the gas, take physical coffee for the depression, but you do this meditation. You don't want to take coffee. It will help you like coffee. When you get tired, upset, do this zikr, meditation. How we do it? Now I'm teaching you practical how to do it. Okay, what I am teaching you now, this meditation has a lot of other benefit. one time I wrote about 15. So one of the main is you will get very healthy soul. You will get a very good decision power. Very good decision power. You will increase your concentration. Especially, I teach the student of mathematics. Mathematics need concentration. This will help them. All invention scientists do with concentration. They hook themselves in the lab for hour on one thought and come out some new invention. Yes or no? This is the meditation they do. This is a spiritual meditation. So now I am going to teach you. So whatever I tell you, do that way. Okay? Brother, close the light.
First one?
Yes. Good. Good. You need first less light, right? Close the light. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you. Yes, it will help you.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
You gotta speak now.
You want to learn with the light?
No.
Is it okay?
No, it's okay.
Is it okay?
No, it's,
Okay.
this is definitely okay.
No, first I teach you with the light. Go ahead, please. Open the light. Open the light. First I teach you with the light, right? So do with the light. Then at home you can decrease the light. Okay, first step. This, before meditation, the best time is Fajr Salat, after Fajr Salat. Yeah, after Fajr Salat. Okay, pick up those sets. Okay, yeah, good. Yeah, come on.
Excuse me, guys.
Yeah, go ahead. It's okay, yeah. Yeah, put over there, no problem.
Love you too, man. Sake of Allah.
Okay, so after Fajr Salat or after Isha Salat, best time after Isha also. Fajr also, good, it is up to you. And you are married, family, they should know what you're doing. You can teach them also. So first of all, make sure before meditation you are not very hungry, you are not very thirsty, you don't have big kind of headache, you don't have to go to washroom. So if you have go to washroom, you are thirsty, you are hungry, then when you do meditation, the idea comes in the mind, oh, I have to go to washroom. I have to eat food, what she cooked today. Therefore, after Isha, food is finished, everything okay, that are prerequisite. Second, you should not wear any kind of clothing which are very tight, which are bothering you. I mean to say, every kind of distraction should be taken away. Understand? Every kind of distraction should be taken away. Now I start the first step. Please sit down, relax condition. Relax and loosen your body. Loosen your body. No tightness with any organ of the body. You feel like this way. You feel like this? Good. Yeah, how you feel, you know? Yeah, relax, how you feel. You're sitting, relax, whatever it is.
Come on, my jacket.
No problem, don't worry. It's okay. But I'm just teaching now.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. At home when you do take a, okay, good. You see? So that nothing will bother. Relax your body. Second step. Start empty your mind from all kind of thought, any kind of thought. I have to go there and there. No. Empty your mind from all thoughts. Second step. Third, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close. Close your eyes. Lower your head, neck. face, turn your face toward the left side, little bit to the heart. Open eyes, relaxed, empty your mind from all kind of thoughts. If any thought come, ignore it. Now think, blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala falling on your whole body. You are under the shower of blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, especially blessing falling, coming on the heart. Heart is being relaxed. And for the thankfulness of the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, my heart is saying, Allah, Allah. Tongue should not move. Do this zikr of the heart with the heart. Allah, Allah. Tongue should not move. I am just speaking to teach you. Within heart, start this zikr of Allah. Allah, Allah, Allah. Continue for a while until I say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. This will be the signal. Stop the zikr. Let's start now. Allah, Allah, Allah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Please stop now. Could you do it? Could you do it, right? Without moving the tongue, within the heart, you are saying Allah, Allah, Allah. You are feeling relaxed. Sometimes you sleep also. Allah bi zikrillah tatma'innul qulub. Quran says, without the zikr of Allah, heart don't get peace. When you get tired, go to MURAQBAH. It's called also MURAQBAH, meditation. When anybody bother you, go to MURAQBAH. Right? You tired, go to MURAQBAH. After Isha, do MURAQBAH. Possible. Your whole day tiredness will go away. Relax body. Your worries will go away. No depression. Peace of mind. You feel more than coffee. You don't have to take coffee also. This is spiritual coffee. Right? Spiritual coffee. You understand, right? You can teach your sweetheart, your wife also. Understand? Ba'akhir da'wana and alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. No make dua. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka hamidun majid. Ya Allah, bless your love to us. Bless your love. Fill our heart with your love. Love of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Love of the family. Love of the Muslim ummah. Ya Allah, bless us. Coming Ramadan. Ya Allah, keep our soul free from the sins. Help us to leave all bad habits what we have in the Ramadan. Let us have a very good practice in the Ramadan to have sin-free life. So that when we take last breath, Ya Allah, we should enter the paradise. We enter the paradise, your sweet paradise you prepared for us. Ya Allah, right way. Ameen. Ya Allah, give hadayat, guidance to all our friends and families, our wife and children, all fellow friends, our relatives, give all guidance. Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim, Ya Rahim. We make a good Muslim, and give us last breath with iman, so we enjoy your Jannah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun, wa salamun al mursalin, walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Jazakallah khair.
Jazakallah khair. Yeah.